This is a brick wall puzzle. It was designed by Lucy Powells and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the brick wall, which is very easy to do. Just flip the puzzle, and now you have to put everything back inside. And this is the very difficult challenge, since you can try to stick the parts inside, but very soon you will realize that you do something wrong, since you will have either pieces left, or you will see that there are gaps between some of the bricks, and it doesn't look like a correct solution. Like as you can see, there are still some parts left. There are 11 parts in this puzzle, and it is a really difficult challenge. Okay, there are 3 parts left. There are a lot of gaps, but I have no idea how to stick these parts inside. So we have to remove everything again and try to solve the puzzle again. And you will spend countless hours trying to figure out the correct solution of this puzzle. And there is a tray on the back side. You can just put the parts right here in the tray when you don't play with the puzzle, so that you don't lose them. If you like the brick wall puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.